Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry for Bigelow Woodcraft. And last week you saw me fabricate up all these pieces that I needed for my sawmill extensions. And today I'm going to start putting it together. In West Michigan, it's another dreary, wet day. We've had nothing but rain for about the last 3 weeks. A day or two of sunshine here and there, and then 3 or 4 straight days of rain. And temperatures drop. It looks like it's supposed to get back into the 30s for a couple of days. And we're in the middle of April almost. So anyhow, hopefully someone gets here. But I'm going to start assembling this. And since I already have the existing mill out there, I don't think it's going to be too bad to assemble. However, things have to fit together, so I'm going to just assemble them loosely. So I got the rail spaced at exactly 36 inches, and I'm just going to, I got these 3/8 nut and bolt, so I'm going to just put these in finger tight. Everything's just going to be finger tight until I get there. Now the problem I'm going to have, I do have to put these in first, because I don't think when this sits on top of the bed rail, the trailer extension, the bed rail sits on top of the trailer extension, you can't get your fingers or a bolt between the trailer extension, trailer rail, and the bed rail that the carriage rides on. You can't get underneath it, so you have to do it now. And the tricky part, another tricky part will be this side will butt into the existing mill, so there's a plate that lives here just like this. I don't know if you can see that or not. So this plate would live here just like this, and then this would be also bolted to the other side. So that's it. So that'll be the hardest part, probably getting all this and getting those bed extensions, trailer extensions, these here into the existing tubes when this is all put together. Maybe I'll put these on. I won't bolt those to these. That'll just be, it'll be heavier as well. So let's get this thing built. I'm just using standard grade 3/8 lock nuts and bolts. So there's 4 of these in each end of the bunk. I did order from Frontier Norwood, I did order another log stop that will be mounted to that one right there, and another log dog, the crank handle. For the price they charged for them, it wasn't worth it for me to fabricate up a couple of those. What I did like about this, all the metal was stamped USA. not stamped, but inked USA. So now, ooh. And I have those 2 extra bunks. I could put one there. I'll have a log, so I will have to probably maybe drill 4 more holes for the log dog, or I'll use these existing holes. I think those log dogs actually match right up. We'll see. But that's going to be nice, having 2 extra bunks. Excellent. That's it. Now it's time to start putting this together. Let's get this out to the mill. Well guys, got it all together. There's only one last thing to do. I've got the power feed chain all put back together, added some length to it. Only thing left to do is test it. I got it all leveled up. The joints, I am really happy how tight and smooth they are. They're perfect. We nailed it. So I'm gonna give this a try. Here we go. You're gonna see it firsthand right here. Now, if everything goes right, it should stop right down here at the end. I'm walking away from it, I'm confident. It worked. Full speed return. Oop, oop, oop. I hate these things. Okay, that's full return back. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna say the extension's complete. Now I got a couple of bunks that are just sitting on here right now. I got another log dog coming. So that log dog's probably going to live right here in this area. I'll leave that log dog there. But I'll be able to move things around. I'll probably take that log stop or leave that log stop, take that log stop and that log stop, move that one to here, and the other one, the third one, down to here maybe. And I did buy a fourth one, so I have another one coming. So that we'll get all the bugs worked out, but I am really happy with this build. Now it's gonna be interesting to, I mentioned I didn't put this yellow stiffening rail. Looks like it's 3/16 or 1/4 inch by 2.5 by 8 foot. And that just goes alongside this rail, this track here. And if there is any kind of flex here, I'm just gonna build something up for now and put it underneath here. Fantastic. All right guys, that's gonna do it. I hope you liked this video, got something from it. If you're interested in building some extensions, I got it for about the same price as Frontier sells their 7-foot extensions for, minus the shipping. So I did pretty well with it. I'm pretty happy with what I've got here. So guys, take care, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.